Hi friends, my name is Manish and I'm the executive chef of the Oberoi Gurgaon, and right now we are at the award-winning restaurant 361. Today we are going to do a very special dish which is also part of a healthy menu. Healthy menu is very special because we promise you that every appetizer is under 150 calories, every main course is within 300 calories. That means you can have a whole meal of appetizer and main course in 500 calories and still not feel guilty about it. We're going to do a pomelo salad. Pomelo is a citrus fruit which is mixed along with some chili, some tamarind, some jaggery, and it's a nice citrusy salad. So let's see how do we make it. Pomelo is actually a fruit which comes from Thailand. You get some of pomelo in India also, but we prefer using the Thai pomelo because it is more sweeter. It's the chunks of pomelo are far more bigger in size, so you can enjoy the salad more. Fairly very simple recipe. Let's show how do we process it. So the only technical part probably is how to process the pomelo. Right? So imagine pomelo is like a big orange. Right? So how will you peel orange at home is something similar to pomelo. So you cut the two sides. So ये आपको एक idea देगा कि कितना बड़ा fruit है. So if you really see, and यहाँ से इसको आप sides काटना शुरू करेंगे. इसको निकाल देते हैं यहाँ से. So we get a fruit which is little more neater. तो हमको अब अलग-अलग segments में अलग करना है. So first point is to cut into two, and then आप pomelo को हाथ से open कीजिए. If you see, it's easy. It's all cut before. तो इस तरह से हम इस पूरे pomelo को one by one process करेंगे. So this is the last piece of pomelo. We remove the seeds, and our pomelo is processed now. Okay. The next step is to make the dressing of the salad. A glass bowl to toss, okay. And let's make the dressing of pomelo. So we will add the ingredients from here. So first is Thai chili paste. This is what gives the zing to the pomelo salad. A little bit of sugar syrup. आप जो घर पे बनाते हैं same sugar syrup, ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. Sugar and water को boil कीजिए और रख लीजिए. Okay. Then we will add some sweet chili sauce. Maybe 3 tablespoons. And of course fresh lime. इसको अब हम लोग मिक्स कर लेंगे. एक इसमें सीड आ गया, इसको निकाल देते हैं बाहर. And the dressing is primarily a mix of all this. Flavor के लिए we're going to add some fresh mint leaf. Again, mint should be broken by hand. कभी भी mint को knife से chop नहीं करना चाहिए. थोड़ा सा fresh coriander, थोड़ा spring onions. और इसके अंदर हम लोग ऐड करेंगे pomelo. It's very fairly simple salad. अगर आपने देखा हो तो इसमें कुछ भी complication नहीं है. Very easy, very refreshing. और बहुत ही हल्के हाथ से टॉस करेंगे because we don't want हमारे pomelo के जो segments हैं उनको break करने के लिए. The beauty of the salad is the juiciness of the pomelo. So हमारा salad अब ready है. Let's do the plating of the salad. Nice white plate, and as I mentioned, big chunks of pomelo to be placed first on the bottom of the plate. We'll put the dressing on top of it. Okay. जैसा कि मैंने पहले बोला था, टेक्सचर के लिए हमने कुछ desiccated coconut रखे थे यहाँ पे. We'll add some desiccated coconut. Yeah. And a little bit of fried cashew nut. थोड़ा सा tossed in the same dressing. Because हम पहले क्यों नहीं डालते हैं? Because we don't want cashew nuts to become soggy. थोड़ा सा ऊपर garnish. So fresh coriander to garnish the whole salad. And our pomelo salad is ready for you.